for barium ion. Barium is a chemical element with symbol Ba. It is found in various salts like barium nitrate, barium sulfate and barium carbonate as barium 2 positive ion. In group 5, barium ions are precipitated as their carbonates by adding ammonium carbonate to their solution. Our aim here is to test for the presence of barium ions in a given salt. First, we look at the preliminary tests of barium ion. Dry heating test. Materials required: original salt in a test tube holder and Bunsen burner. Procedure: take a small quantity of salt in a test tube. Heat it over the Bunsen burner. A white residue glows on heating, indicating the presence of barium ion. Charcoal cavity test. Materials required: mixture of salt and sodium carbonate in a watch glass, charcoal piece, distilled water, spatula, dropper, tongs, blowpipe and Bunsen burner. Procedure: take a mixture of a small quantity of salt and double its quantity of sodium carbonate in a watch glass. Take a charcoal piece with small cavity in it. Using a spatula, place a small quantity of the mixture in the cavity of the charcoal piece. Using a dropper, add a few drops of distilled water to the mixture to moisten it. Using the tongs, hold the charcoal piece in front of the reducing flame of the Bunsen burner. Now, direct the reducing flame on the cavity by means of the blowpipe and heat strongly for some time. White residue glows on heating, which indicates the presence of barium ions. Next, we look at the analysis of the barium ion. Materials required: salt solution in a test tube, ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, ammonium carbonate solution, droppers, spatula, test tube holder, and Bunsen burner. Procedure: take a small quantity of salt solution in a test tube. To this, add a small amount of ammonium chloride using a spatula. Heat the test tube over the Bunsen burner and cool. Using a dropper, add ammonium hydroxide to the test tube till the solution smells of ammonia. To this, add ammonium carbonate solution using another dropper. Barium ions in the solution react with ammonium carbonate to form a white precipitate of barium carbonate. Finally, we look at the confirmatory tests of the barium ion. Potassium chromate test. Materials required: precipitate obtained in the group analysis, hot dilute acetic acid, potassium chromate solution, and droppers. Procedure: take the precipitate obtained in the group analysis. To this, add a small quantity of hot dilute acetic acid using a dropper. Barium carbonate reacts with acetic acid to form soluble barium acetate. Now, transfer the solution into a test tube. Using another dropper, add a small quantity of potassium chromate solution to the test tube. Barium acetate reacts with potassium chromate to form a yellow precipitate of barium chromate. Flame test. Materials required: original salt in a watch glass, concentrated hydrochloric acid, dropper, glass rod, platinum wire loop, and Bunsen burner. Procedure: take a small quantity of the salt in a watch glass. To this, add a few drops of concentrated hydrochloric acid using a dropper. Mix the contents of the watch glass using a glass rod to make a paste. Take a small amount of the paste on the platinum wire loop and introduce it into the oxidizing flame of the Bunsen burner. Persistent grassy green flame indicates the presence of barium ions. Precautions: Handle hydrochloric acid with proper care because it is highly corrosive. Heating should be done very carefully.